Hey everyone, Double P here and welcome back. In today's trading session, it is Monday, November 28th. You see the date right there. You see the account right there, it's real account. Let's go over this real time. Stock is in real time, Amex, New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, all real time feeds. Equity options, real time, futures options, real time, Forex and other, so real live account that we're trading in. So what did we do today? Today I attacked the SPY. So it was a in and out trade that was taking quite a bit of time to develop. So let's come back over here for the end of the day recap. We had to, I waited for this trade to develop. I was going to take it right here. I was waiting for it. When it hit the high over there, then I was looking at it. Then I just decided I'm going to wait because the velocity and the volatility is kind of sucked out of the marketplace. So this has been like a very slow descent. So you can see it right here, this particular section right here. It's been a very slow descent. So what happens here now is we just have to sit here and we have to wait. A lot of consolidation right here. And then we're just sitting here and we're waiting. So I got in on a position. So let me just come over here. Let's look at the rest of the marketplace first so that you can see the marketplace is like it's auto-correlated to the downside. So tech is down, healthcare is up. You can see it right here. Healthcare is up. Consumer staples is kind of sitting up, but for the majority, marketplace is down. S&P 100 is down. Let's have a look over here at the index watch so that you can see it. We'll come over here to S&P 500. So you see it right there, the advanced decline line, 400 to 80. Come back over here, come over to the NASDAQ. NASDAQ is down 65.37. Advanced decline. And we come back over here. Let's go to the S&P 100. So 77.24. And then we'll go to the Russell 3000 so that you can see the Russell 3000 there. So that's the bulk of the marketplace. Russell 3000, 2000, pretty much 1970 to 591, right? So the market's down, but there's no velocity in the marketplace. There's no volatility. Volatility has been sucked out of the marketplace. So let's come over here so you can see the VIX right there. The VIX is at an all-time low. So what happens when volatility is sucked out of the marketplace? And with the VIX and volatility is it's actually compressing. So let's just come over here. Financials are down. You see it right there. Financials are down as well. Bonds are down. Bonds are up. Transportation is down. Product is down. So that's the XLP. Energy is down. But the volatility has been sucked out of the marketplace. I really would like to get in here and do another trade, but I'm going to have to wait. You can see the volatility. These are volatility bands right here, and they're starting to compress. Here's the 20. So you see it on the ES, the volatility band. This is the lower band. That's the upper band. Volatility is just compressing. I may actually come in right now and take this trade. Well, just so that you see, well, what did I make today? Today was 29.86.90. You see the trade that I took here. This is for my Platinum X Power Option Trader members. So I got the November 29th, 22 400 strike put. That's the one I sent out to you. And that's what I made on it, 3K. So let's come back over here, shut that down. I'm looking at taking this trade right here again, but I'm not really too keen on taking this right now because this is like low level consolidation right here. It's just not a volatile day. The volatility has been sucked out of the marketplace. Volatility is also compressing. So when that happens, one or two things are going to happen. So let's come over here to the ES so that you see it, or we can take the SPX. This is like the biggest product out there, $4,000 product. But when volatility is sucked out of the marketplace and volatility is being compressed, one or two things is going to happen. These bands are going to either open up like this, and the stock or the marketplace is going to explode to the upside or explode to the downside, or we could be sitting in a range here and trading back and forth in a range, which is not the best I would like because I need volatility. So you see the price levels right here, price levels, that's the high, that's the low. I may actually come in here and take this trade. Let me just, let me see. So watch the price there. We're at 215. It's just making lower lows, but the lower lows are kind of like they just do a real bounce, all right? So that right there is what I'm looking at. That right there is what I'm looking at. This is forming an inverted hammer right here, this candle, which is a reversal. 9 times out of 10 is supposed to be a reversal candle. We'll wait and see how it closes. But I'm interested in taking this trade, but I just don't want to get caught up. So I'm going to wait, see what this band does over here. It's right on this band right now. So here's a 200. The 200 is underneath it. And here's a 20. It's turned yellow, so it's supposed to be going down. But this isn't really difficult trading. So you see that candle right there. I think I'm going to go in and take this trade. Yeah, I'm going to go in and take this. And I got a terrible fill. And the reason why I just took this trade here, I will be out of this trade in probably, if this trade doesn't move in the direction where I want it to move, I will be out of it. So I'm going to give it I'm going to give it, this is the low right here. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wait this candle out. What I should have done is I should have took the trade right there on that candle. So now I'm going to have to sit here and wait this candle out. If it hits the low and bounces, could be a situation where I don't want to be in that one. So you just see it right there, just pounce and hit the low right there. So we're going to see what it does right here. You know what I got in at 227. So there's no velocity here. Yeah. So you see here, I just drew out my my support and my resistance. Breaks that candle, I'm out. If it breaks to the upside on that candle, I'm out. So this is what I look at, these three products right here. So this one here, I'm going to be out soon out of this trade here. Whoa, that was nice. That was a nice big drop. So now this just opened up. This is kind of what we want to see. The band opens up. That band opens up, but it's opening up to the downside. That's exactly what I want to see. Let me just wait and see what happens with this candle now, because it just hit the low. So we'll just continue to stay in this play. So I'm going to move my stop loss here. This is a big Mariposa candle. So as you see here in real time, I'm just walking this stock down. So you see right down there, you see the profit that I've got right there is like 5,000. So it breaks this line. That's my stop right there. If it breaks the close of that candle, and I'll just keep walking it down. I'm out. I'm out. 5 cents is 5 cents. That's and the reason why I took a market order is because if I put a limit order on, I'm not going to get filled. It's going to sit there in working mode, and you see that right there. So that's what we look for. We look for the volatility. We look for the volatility bands. You've seen how I explained it to you. There's my stop right there. If it goes below it, I may take another trade again, but I may just probably just use a different option. So let's come over here. So we're up 6,400 today, so not bad. All right there, so $6,400 on the day so far. And let me see if I want to come in here to take another trade. I'm just going to wait, right? There's my stop right there. If it goes below that stop, I'm going to go in for another trade. Here's a 200. It's sloping down. You see it right there. It's all red. You see the 20 right there is from green to yellow. Now it's doing a 3-soldier reversal. So I think I'm good for the day. I think I'm done. So for my Platinum X Power Option Trader group members, you saw another live trade in real time. And that's what we do, right? That's what we look for. That's what we monitor, right? I'm taking my time. I'm looking at what's going on. I'm mapping out support and resistance with my price levels, right? And then that's it. All right, that's how it's done. We've had a good month, shaky month. It's been up and down. We always make it back. So December should be very interesting. So I'm kind of done for today. That's it for me. So I'll see you in the next session. Take care, everybody.